Closing market comments for Monday, August the 17th. Grains were extremely strong today, with corn closing up 6, soybeans closing up 15 to 17 cents, and wheat up 16 cents on the day. News-wise, we did have Pro Farmer Tour start today, and early results out of South Dakota that I saw this morning were showing yields being better than expected. Ohio with lower yields than expected, but the big news continues to be the talk of the damage in Iowa. Last numbers coming out of Iowa show 8.18 million acres of corn and 5.64 million acres of soybeans that were affected. And there's talk now that between the adjoining states, total acreage could be as high as 37.7 million acres. Iowa is requesting $4 billion in disaster aid. So at this point, we'll see what Pro Farmer does when they get there, but they won't get to Iowa until probably a little tomorrow, but more on Wednesday and Thursday when they will be hitting the main parts of Iowa to see what the damage has been done and what the impact is. A lot of talk about the situation, but a lot of uncertainty as well. USDA did announce the sale of 130,000 metric tons of hard red wheat to Unknown this morning. No sales of soybeans today. This is the first time in 8 days that we have not seen a sale of soybeans to either Unknown or to the Chinese. Crop progress report came out tonight. Corn conditions were 69% good to excellent. That's down 2% from last week. State of Iowa was down 10% compared to last week. Our soybean conditions were 72%, down 2% also from the previous week, but well above last year at 53%. And the winter wheat harvest was at 93%, up 3% for the week and 1% ahead of last year. We did have weekly exports released today. Corn for last week was shipped 40.8 million. That's down from 50.7 million a week ago, 20.1 million a year ago, with 31 to 43 expected and 42.5 million needed per week. So we might make a goal of what the USDA projected for the year. Soybeans, 28.8 million shipped last week, 28.9 the previous week. Last year we were 12.6 million. The expected range was 16 to 29, so the top end of the range, and the needed at 26.5 million each week. And again, we're getting very close that we might make the goal there. Wheat exports early in the year at 17.0 million. That's down from last week at 17.5 and down from last year at 20.7, but in the range of 15 to 22 and close to the needed of 18.7. We will give you a breakdown of the state by state on the crop conditions tomorrow, and we'll see what happens as far as the markets tomorrow after today's big update. Thanks for watching.